Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. So let's get started. Alright, to make our delicious grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwich, we're using our cast iron skillet today, and we're going to set our burner to medium-low. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan. Today we're using peanut oil. Alright, now let's crack some eggs. Alright, our nice sunny side up eggs done. Let's see if it's stuck. I don't think so. Alright, let's put that right on a plate. Okay, doesn't that look good? Alright, let's make another one. Alright, our nice sunny side up egg is done. Let's see if this one's stuck. I don't think so. Look at them. Don't they look good? Okay, let's put these aside. Now we're going to raise our burner to medium. And we're going to take our 3 nice slices of ham. And we're going to put that right in there. Now we just want to kind of warm these up. Give them just a little color. Now this is smoked ham, so it should taste really good. Okay, let's lower our burner back to medium-low. And we'll get them out of there because they're done. Beautiful. Okay, let's put these aside. Now just take a piece of paper towel and kind of wipe out your pan. Now we're going to take our lightly toasted buttered bread and we're going to put that right in there just like this. And we're going to take a little bit of our mozzarella cheese and put that on there. And a little bit of our cheddar cheese. Put that on top. And we'll take a nice slice of our ham and put that right on there. And a little more mozzarella cheese. Yep. Put that on there. Some more of our cheddar cheese, put that on there. Now we're going to take one of our nice eggs and put that right on there. Take more mozzarella cheese, put that on there. More of our cheddar cheese, put that on top. Another slice of our ham, put that on top of that. It's getting bigger, guys. A little more of our mozzarella cheese. Okay. Now the cheese acts like the glue that holds everything together, but it does skid off there sometimes. Take a little more of our cheddar cheese and put that on top. Take our last egg and we'll put that on top of there. Little more mozzarella cheese. Okay. More cheddar cheese. And our last piece of ham. Put that right on top. And the remainder of our mozzarella cheese, put that on there. And a little more of our cheddar cheese. Wow, guys, this is huge. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I like a little garlic powder. and a little bit of smoked paprika. And we're going to take our last piece of bread and put that right on top, just like this. Now we're going to put what's left of our cheddar cheese on top, just like that. Now that's about a cup of cheddar cheese and a cup of mozzarella cheese. Boy, this is going to be cheesy. It smells good already. Now all we have to do is put this in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 to 15 minutes till our cheese melts. Okay guys, here it is, right out of the oven. Look at that sandwich. That is huge, and that cheese is really melted, and boy does that smell good. Okay, at this point I like to add a little bit more salt, a little bit of extra pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some parsley flakes. They look pretty, plus they taste good. Well, there it is guys, our grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwich, and boy does that smell good. And I'll bet you it's going to taste good. Now we have to get this out of here and get it on a cutting board so we can have a taste. And I think I'm going to need a big spatula for this. So let's see if we can get under here. Okay, let's put that on a cutting board. Look at that sandwich, guys. Can you see it? Look at all that cheese that kind of got crusty. I bet you that tastes good too. I think it does. Alright, let's just go ahead and have a taste. I can't wait to have a taste of this. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that sandwich. That's our grilled egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. And let me tell you, it's a big one. And look at that crusted cheese out front there that was in the pan. I'm going to have a little taste of that because I think that's really tasty. It's like a potato chip on a cheesy one. Alright, let's have a little taste of that. Alright, let's pick up a little piece. See how it is. See it? Is that good? We ought to make a bunch of these because they're really tasty. Alright guys, I can't wait to have a taste of this. This is so huge. Look at the ham and cheese just oozing out of there. And there's 2 eggs in there somewhere. Alright, let's cut this in half and see how we did. Alright guys, let's pick this up and see how we did. Look at the cheese in there, guys. Look at that egg. That is just beautiful. And all that ham. Boy, is this going to taste good. That's loaded with cheese. And I'll bet you it's loaded with flavor. Alright, let me have a bite. Oh, wow, is that tasty. You're going to love these. Just go ahead and make them that way. That's all I got to tell you. Let me spin this one around so you can see it better. Alright guys, if you haven't made a grilled egg, ham, and cheese like this, you don't know what you're missing because that's loaded with flavor. Loaded with cheese. And definitely loaded with eggs. Alright. Now you know what to go good with this? Since we're having this for a nice lunch, you guessed this one. We're going to have a nice hot cup of coffee with this one. And that really does sound good. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. That's what's for lunch today. Boy, does that sound good. Yep, this is so good, I just have to have another little bite. Is that good?